step one in learning QA automation and becoming an automation engineer is to learn a program. And I mentioned Python is a program you need to learn. And how do you learn Python program? The one thing I do not recommend is YouTube, right? So you could start on YouTube, take 1 or 2 courses on YouTube, couple of videos that are more than 10 minutes, right? An hour, 2 hour worth of videos to get warmed up. But you do need an environment that is distraction free. Things like Udemy or things like a website that just have a course that's meant for that. Like my website, for example, right? I do have a Python course. I do have a program that is for QA automation. But you don't have to do that. You can also do Udemy or a bunch of other courses. You can even do a book. I don't even recommend a book. You can go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a plan. Get a plan on how to learn, right? Get a guidance from ChatGPT or any AI. I always just say ChatGPT. That became like a household term. But any of the AIs you like to use, Gemini, lately I've been using a lot more Gemini than anything else. Ask it, give me a plan on how to learn Python. And it might even recommend courses for you. I wouldn't like take it to like exactly what they recommend. I'll look at reviews and things like that. But the main thing is get a plan. You got to create a plan and just attack it. Guys, I'm telling you, Python is not that hard. It just takes time. It's like anything else. Don't get frustrated, especially when you start to learn. If it's a bunch of pieces and they don't make sense because they're individual pieces. But then like in chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, when those pieces come together, it will start to make a lot more sense. So the main thing is don't give up. The only people that lose are the people that give up. Just like everything else, it is true here. Don't give up. Just keep practicing and using AI to help you come up with a plan, to even help you learn. So that's my 2 cents for today. I definitely think you should start learning Python if you want to become a QA automation engineer. The only time you would learn Java, in my opinion, is if you already have a job lined up, right? If you already work in a company, they use Java for the automation, and if you're going to learn Java, they're going to give you a job. Or if you have a cousin or a friend that's going to tell you, hey, learn Java, I'll get you a job. Yeah, definitely you start with Java. That's common sense. But if you're just going to start fresh and start to just like everybody else, start to look for a job, start with Python. My advice.